Now let's take a look at how we can use Sheet Xpert for Excel. Click the Sheet Xpert icon, and it tells you cannot run Sheet Xpert unless Excel is running. So here is a way that you can launch Excel. And we three-finger tap to grab the cursor, double-click our spreadsheet, and it loads. Now we can go over to this icon, which controls inserting rows and columns, merging cells, and we can insert a couple of rows and a few columns. And we can go here to Regional Cells Report and highlight those cells and click Merge. Now we can bounce over here to Text, and we can bold our title. Go over here to Alignment, and we can center our title. Now we can go to our column headings. We can center the column headings, pop over to Text, and bold. Go here to our row titles and click Bold again. Now we can go over here to our year-to-date cells and click Formulas and Sum. Grab the cursor, go up, change the width, and highlight those cells. Hit Sum, go back to Home, and highlight these cells and hit Underline. And now we can go here, exit out of Sheet Xpert, and go to Handwriting, and we can type total, and it recognizes that's what we want. Hit the selection, close out of Handwriting, and there's our total. Now that our spreadsheet's complete, we can go back into Sheet Xpert and hit Save. And that is how you use Sheet Xpert with Screenpad 2.0.
Thank you for watching tonight. If you have any comments or any questions, please leave them down in the comments section. Over on this side is a link to my original video for the unboxing and the first look at the 532EQ. And on this side is a subscription link to the channel. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time.